Hello gang, SharpShot21 here. We are doing another unboxing today. This one is going to be for a Drift action camera. I believe it's the Ghost X HD. Made a new action camera for the helmet, and Drift looked like the one to go with. Also have the remote for it, so should be a nice combination. We'll get some videos from the cam coming up. Alrighty, this time we are getting the Drift Ghost X and the Bluetooth remote with strap open. We'll do the strap and remote first, and we'll get into the camera. Not a whole lot to it. It will need a 1632 battery, has a 10 meter range, which is kind of nice. Knife again is the Kershaw Leek. This I think is the stone-washed finish one. Again. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Got the quick start and the remote itself. Sorry about that. Watch band style strap, which is kind of nice. Come on. There you go. Does just pop out, which is nice. Battery door is there. And a slightly bigger key. I don't have any coins with me, but that's the battery door. Comes with the battery, which is nice. And then we got the quick start guide for it, which easy enough. Pair the remote. Go through that. Once it's paired, green means video, yellow's photo, purple's time-lapse, blue is photo burst. And it's got it in several languages, which is quite nice. Now we'll get this open. Well, I went with the Drift for a few reasons. A, it has a built-in 3.5mm jack for a microphone, and it comes with said microphone, which is very nice. So first thing is the little card. Only works with Huawei devices for that app. Looks like this little package is going to be manuals and stuff. Yep, manuals and stuff. Go through that later. And then we've got the camera itself. Under that, got some foam. And two more boxes, which feel like they have stuff in there. So we'll start on these two little boxes. Okay, this one is the mount and the charging / data transfer cable. Uses a USB Mini B, which is a little bit of an odd one these days, but that's okay. It's a curved clamp or sticky base. in this one. Okay. This one is going to be the lapel mic and the mic adapter, which is very nice that it comes with the adapter. I thought it came with a built-in 3.5 jack, but that's okay. Has the clamp screwed onto the base. So let me find my screwdriver set. Okay. Well, that's nice. You can actually get it with the thumb wheel built in here. The other thing that's nice with the Drift is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but there's a bunch of little detents in here, and those match up with detents right here. So you can see it's kind of spiky. That means this clamp position is basically infinitely adjustable. So the other nice thing is this lens turns. So if you mount it on the top of your helmet, or the side of your helmet, so long as the arrow is pointing up, your camera, the image, will be correct. So you can mount this in basically any orientation as well, which is very nice. Little screen on the back. We've got the SD card slot there. The USB slot there. I think that's the rear mic. Yep, there's the front mic. Not sure what that cover is. And then this panel, you'll see it's got an indent here. Well, if we stick our thumb in there, I don't actually have enough fingernail. This is the battery. This battery pulls off. They sell an extended battery for this thing that clips in. It gives you double the recording time. Fairly simple controls. We've got power. Let's see if we have anything in there. Yep, comes with power. Little screen in the back. It's probably washing you out, but it is in 4K mode right now. 4K 30. We'll do 4K 25, 24, and 30. I can do 2.7K, 1080, 720, WVGA. 4K UHD even. In 1080p, I can do anything from 24 to 120 frames a second. In 2.7K, I do 24 to 60 frames, so I might be recording in 2.7K. I can do, switches to orange or yellow for photo, purple for time-lapse, blue for burst mode. The jewel LED on the front does the same. Wi-Fi is off, 5 gigs. DV is off. FOB, exposure, self-timer, bitrate is high. normal filters, auto ISO. We're not running it in DVR mode. We'll leave video stabilization off for the moment. Then switch between front and rear microphones for primary. Change the sensitivities and the speaker volume. LED will leave on. Instant record will leave off. Date. We need to change the date. Year, it is 22nd. We are April. Oh, scrolled right by it. Did it again. And it is 23rd today, I believe. And we are at 11:18, I think. Oh, that's fine. The serial number, clone mode. If you do, you can set these up to link together and have them all record at the same time. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, that blue, that green light's the Wi-Fi.
Start scanning.
Nope, that's not what I want. Make some pretty loud beeps, which will be nice. Yeah. Ah, you just keep scrolling. Okay. Let's go back down to Bluetooth. Let me go dig through the manual. I'll be back. So, turns out I'm a little bit of an idiot. This is the 4K Plus. Obvious. It says 4K Plus on it. I thought that the 4K Plus would be compatible with the remote for the 4K. Would make sense, right? Apparently not. Whatever. It's fine. Would have been nice. Get this box back up, return it. But for those who don't know, this will switch the modes. That'll switch it into recording or not. Almost looks like someone's been here before with this remote. Ran into the same thing I did. Well, no biggie. Got the 4K Plus out of it. So.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me out, and it lets you know when I put something new up. New videos will be going up on Tuesdays or Thursdays at 8 a.m. Eastern. And if I do decide to do live streams, I will try to give 24 hours notice. So hit the subscribe button on the channel and you'll be notified when I post that stuff too. Hope to see you next time. Sharps out.